and today I am standing here with a topic, and so let me tell what is title of my topic. So the title of my topic, just get up and make future in your life. So before starting my topic I would like to say a quote. कहते नहीं बनता कुछ करना पड़ता है, भुला के सारी मुश्किलों को जित पे अड़ना पड़ता है। इतना आसान नहीं है सपनों का पूरा हो जाना, सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए दुनिया से तो कभी खुद से लड़ना पड़ता है। Hi everyone, I am Saif here and let me come back on my topic. So my topic is just get up and make future in your life. As you all know guys, there are a lot of people living in the world and nobody in the world for myself, for yourself, for our future, for my future, for your future. So just get up and think about your future. Just get up, think about your career. Just get up and think your life. So let me tell everyone how can we make future in our life. And as we all know, we are a student and I'm also a student. That's why I'm talking about students. And as we all know, we are a student and there are a lot of students in our life and they are our friends. And suppose that they are our good friends and they are our best friends. So what will you choose? I know everyone. What are you thinking? Some students are thinking I will choose good friends, and some students are thinking I will choose bad friends. But do you know guys what I am choosing? What I am thinking and what I want to choose? I will choose a pen and a notebook because that is my future. My friend is not my future. A pen and a notebook, that is my future. And I would like to say you also you must choose a pen or notebook. That is your future. And so just get up and think about yourself. Just get up, think about your future. Just get up, think about your God. Oh my God, I know. What are you thinking? You are thinking God should think about us. But I'm not telling about that God. I'm telling about your parents. They are our God. We haven't seen the God, but we have saw our parents. They do everything for ourselves, for our future, for our career. Why? Because they love to us. And it's our responsibility, we also love to our parents. Without help, without our parents, without our family, we can't be a good person, we can't make our career, we can't make our futures. So guys, just get up and think your futures. And there is also a point. One day I asked to my sir, there is a lot of people living in this world and why they are not good? Why they keep negative things in their mind? So sir said to me, do you know Saif? You know there is a lot of people but they are not good. As I want to explain these things for examples. So my sir said to me, जैसे एक मछली पूरी तालाब की पानी खराब कर देती है, वैसे ही एक बच्चा पूरा स्टूडेंट को खराब कर देता है. That's it. I live alone, and without living alone we can't succeed, and whenever we will not think we can't improve ourselves.